Hello, friend. Come to my and this video for data structure and for data series. I already completed arrays, matrix. Okay, I am going to first third topic that is a string. Today I will about a string. Okay, and we will not do program guys. I already done so much in my separate play related to string. Okay, in that playlist you string related. So firstly, I will discuss some important related to and we will see program. I think this is topic I will uh, practice to program because I already topic and that is in a separate playlist. Okay. So before I starting this, I request you to subscribe my and in my will get all the talk related to a full stack developer. And coming time, I will project and I will complete advanced our topic. Let's get started. So, firstly, we will see what is a string. So, string is a sequence of character, like that here. See here, data. Data is like a string because data contains character. It contains four characters. So that's why a string is a sequence of character, and it is typically used to represent text, or it is considered a data type that allows for manipulation and processing of textual data, or you can say that a string is a sequence of character. You already so many times. So the following fact make a string an integer. Data, what is the fact? So a small set of elements. String is a small set of elements. Unlike normal array, a string typically have a smaller set of atoms. For example, lowercase English alphabet has only 20 characters and ASCII has only characters. Okay. So means you can say that a string is consists of these characters as characters and strings are immutable in programming language like Java. If you do any changes with a string, then new object will get created. So that's why it is called immutable. Means you can't change. Many string problem can be optimized using the fact that character set size is, for example, sorting can be done faster, counting frequency of and many things we will see here. Okay. So string are sequence of character. The difference between a character array and a string are a string is terminated with a special character back that is different between string and character. And a string are typically immutable in like Java. And we write a string like that in double quotes. Hello, how are you? Three is at the rate one space country. These are the so we will see here a string are represented how a string are represented. So string character are stored at contiguous is also like a array. A string character are stored contiguous. And here in this program, we will see how the string are declared. So here, firstly, we will write package class name, and after that we write here main. And after main, I am declaring a string by two types. Firstly, without user, I declare a string. Simply write a string data type and this data type and equal to you write any the double quote hello world. So this is declaration or declaration first string. In next line, I print okay string s equal to plus s. Then hello world will print. And another way I am going here is string s1 equal to new string. With the help of word, I am going and inside this bracket, I write hello India. Simply, I print. You want to put that is dot new the help of that with the type give double. I'm going here string with the help string side right from here after dot line I will check. So hello world hello it will print. Means by the two base we can uh, declare string okay. Here we are going to discuss in which language it is mutable and in which language it is not mutable. So in C plus string literal are immutable in nature, but in C plus a string object are mutable. And in Python, Java also string are immutable. String literals are immutable. Plus the string object are so in this example, we will see how we can say that are immutable. So here, firstly, we write class name, and I'm going to write main, and after firstly, I declare one a string here and one, and I initialize with the Java, okay, and S1 contains Java, okay. But in next line, what I do, I this concat is inbuilt function of means concat means it will add to object. So S1 is concat with rows. So next line we are going to suppose that next line will becomes Java rows, but it will print only Java only because string are in. So if we print this thing S1, then you will get Java. See this thing with the help of program. Here you can see here I already wrote this thing. So see here string S1 is an icon cat with but print on is Java only. It print only Java is Java. It didn't print rows because string is immutable in Java only. topic. Topic is, what are the general operations? There are so many things. So, firstly, we will see the length of a, how we can find the length. By two ways we can find the string. Firstly, we use inbuilt method that is so simple. Dot length, string dot length. By this method, dot length is a build method and get length of it. And and without inbuilt method, how we can find the string? Without the help of inbuilt, firstly we will count the number of character present in the given string. Okay, so it will count character by character, and it start from first index and it will go to the last. Okay, and then it will count. Then by this we can get the length. So suppose that a string s. Okay. S is the reference variable that contains a string abc. So if we want to find the length of a string, then how much abc, three character is there. Then and suppose that this is variable contains how many, how length for this string. So count all the character 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 14 is the length of a given string. Here no string is present, so length of string is 0. So here firstly we will see by the inbuilt method how we find the length of it. So suppose that in string s contains int and we want to find the length. So s dot length is the inbuilt method through which we get the string length. Here also suppose that I want to find the length of the print str. Don't forget to add bracket. We'll get the length of give on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will get correct order. So this one is inbuilt method. And how can find without inbuilt method? You want the character. Can find the length of a student length. With the in C we use a string length, in C++ size, Java length, Python length, JavaScript length, C sharp. And we are going to find the length by writing by on dot use. How we will find? Simply write your method, pass that a string, uh, we initialize one count variable, initial is 0. Then we for each loop, and here I use another inbuilt method. This two char array. To this method, we will get each character present in a, and after getting one character, then count comes 0 to 1. Okay. Then we will get another character, then it will 2, then 3, then 5. Okay. That will count. And here return type is, so I return count, and in method I write here and I call that get length method. So we will do with the help of how we can find the length of a string by on method dot use. build method. Get another class finding length string. Let me So firstly we will take one string and randomly I'm going to write, and inside this I am going to call the method. What I will my method name, and inside this I am passing a string. It just go above of it and then automatically will get created. So here I will going to find the length of string. So inside this method I am going to write logic for finding. So what we realize count with this I will count each character present in a string. I use for each loop for iterating each character. Take a data type and variable that thing store character from a string. I am one inbuilt method to char array, and that will take each character present in a given string. Okay, here that I will get count plus plus return count. So let's check. So check how many characters is in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got 6 character of a given string means that is length of. So here we write our own for finding that. What I did here in main, I simply write one string here and I call the method find length inside this, and inside this find length I pass a string here and I initialize count variable with 0, and I use there for each loop for rating each character that present in a string. So for that I apply here one inbuilt method to char array, that is inbuilt method of us through which we get each character present. So and after that plus plus, after getting each character it will get in. So here I am type, so it return count. Okay. So we got desired. So let's move to the next. What is the time complexity? Here is time complexity is big of n because here I use one for loop. And where what is the meaning of n? N is the length of a string. is big O of 1. And in next program, I am going how to search a character in again here we use one is build method and without in method we will search. Okay. So in this, what we will suppose that this example character is given. What character we want that is given, and a string is so our task is the find the index at what index the given element or character is present. So for example, I take one string and in this string I want search character A. Means at what at which index A is available here. Okay. So firstly here is A is available two places. Okay. So we will search nearest. Okay. So at 0, 1, 2. At the 2 index, our character is available. Okay. So character A is present at index 2 or 4 in the Indasani. So a smallest index is 2. So our output is 2. If we will not get, suppose that in next input I take same string Irasani and here I am going to find Z, but Z is not available in this string. So our output will -1. We will not it if our each character it is traversed. Okay, after traversing all the character from index to last index, if character we will not is not present in a string, then output will show -1. So this thing we will do with the help by again we use two techniques by inbuilt method or without inbuilt method. So firstly, I am going to discuss what is the time complexity and a space complexity for searching character in a string. So by traversing the string, we go of one space using inbuilt library function. We go of n time and go of one space by traversing the string. We go of n time and we go of one space. The idea to traverse the inbuilt a string s for each character. Check if it is equal to character we are searching for. If we find a match, return the current. If we will not find that given character, then it will return -1. Firstly, I am going to explain, then I will program. So this thing I am going with the help of on method, without help of build method. So just like previous example, I created class. I write one method here. Example, I write here find length. So here I am going to find character and I am string and here I am going to pass character also. Character here n is s dot length. It will tell how many total length of a string. So for loop goes from 0 to length of a string. And if is s dot char at I, this char at I is inbuilt method that is equal to character, then it will return. Okay. If it is not, then it will return -1. So we will do program. Okay. And simply I write a string what character I am going to search. So by on method we are going character. Okay. Character without without by on without. So select me from here. So firstly Then I am going to take one a string here, string str equal to, going to write my name. This I want to search one character, that one is, so it will give index of lowest value of index. Character should be in a single quote. That's why it is error. And here I will going to call method for finding character. And in this method, I will pass a string and character. For calling the method, semicolon is a compulsory. So just go above of it, then automatic method will be got created. Here I am going to return type. Okay. So what we will do firstly, one more thing here. Uh, for simplicity, store the string length in n variable. This line so not now. Okay. So for I firstly for loop that will start from zero index the n plus. Here I will use one inbuilt method of a, so I am going to use one char at equal to, because this thing will, by this method inbuilt method we get all the character of a given whatever index will pass here. According to that we will get all the character. Here I means due to an index I will get all character. If from that character is matching with the given this sketch, okay, then it will return index. Return here. If it is not present here, then it will return minus. We already discussed on format. We will get output first index value printed. So at two index we get the uh, given character. So next we will see how we will get the character with the help of inbuilt method. That is simple. S dot index of the help get the output. So using inbuilt library function of end time and before one space, we can use inbuilt library function to search for a character of given a string. This makes search simple and easier to implement. How we can get class name main method inside this string is here, character is here. simply s dot index of ch. This is inbuilt method, and that thing we store in a index reference variable, and we are going to this is here we will find finding character by inbuilt built method. Main from here. So in main, take one string here. String is tr. Again, I am going to take my name and what character we are going to search here. Suppose I am going to search a. Okay, this data type it should be lowercase. Okay. So what we will do, I will use here one inbuilt method and text equal to character dot what is that index of the help of index of at what index this given character is present we will return. Okay, that thing is index reference variable integer type, so I use the data type to print it. So simple it is. Okay. So again we will get index number 2. Okay. At index 2 we got the index. Okay, at what index a is present it will return smallest index value. Okay, so for next program we will see in our next video. So please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, then you can write your doubt in a comment. I will resolve it. So we will meet in the next section. Okay, bye bye.